Welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I am pleased to offer this 2013 SKODA Superb 2-litre TDI Elegance DSG automatic 4-wheel drive estate in metallic black. It has covered 60,000 miles since new, has had one owner and comes with a full service history. Features include both front and rear parking sensors, a full leather interior with heated front seats, satellite navigation and cruise control. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.